So hey guys, this is Samsung Galaxy A33 5G and today I will unbox and give you a fast impression of this phone. So let's get started from unboxing. Alright, back panel is polycarbonate. This is the awesome peach color. The frame looks like it's metal, have a closer look, but it's actually plastic. Overall, the frame makes me feel it's a premium build. And at the bottom, we have speaker grill, type C port and a microphone. Unfortunately, no headphone jack because flagship level experience. And now moving at the top, you get hybrid SIM card slot, meaning 2 SIM card or SIM plus 1 micro SD card. Power button and volume rockers on the right hand side. Now you get a 6.4 inches 90Hz Super AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and you get a dot non display which Samsung calls U Infinity display. Also you get an in-display fingerprint sensor which is fast enough like a normal in-display fingerprint scanner. And the display has really good colors, I mean the contrast, and you can see the viewing angles are also good. Now the display has 800 nits peak brightness. 800 nits is a not big number, but in outdoor under bright sunlight I had no problem viewing at the display. Surprisingly, this Samsung phone has stereo speakers in this price range. And one more thing, it's IP67 water and dust resistant, and it might be the only phone in 2022 to have IP67 in this price range. The Samsung Galaxy A33 5G runs on Samsung's new Exynos 1280 5nm processor, 6 gigs of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 gigs of UFS 2.2 storage. That's for the base variant. The Galaxy A33 5G is powered by a large 5000 mAh battery, and the phone supports up to 25 watt charging, but Samsung does not include a charging adapter in the box. Also you get 12 5G bands. You also get 4G plus carrier aggregation. Now you get One UI 4.1 which is based on Android 12, and Samsung is promising 4 years of Android updates and 5 years of security updates. Finally, let's talk about cameras. 48 megapixel f1.8 aperture main lens, an 8 megapixel 123 degree ultra wide lens, 5 megapixel micro lens for up close pictures, and 2 megapixel depth sensor for portrait shots. 4K 30fps, 1080p 30 and 60fps video recording options. So if you want a balanced phone with a good camera updates in this price, so you can consider Galaxy A33 5G. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and peace out.